Hey, what's going on everyone? So in this video we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A42. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sovik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. A reported listing on China's 3C website indicates that the Samsung Galaxy A42 may come with a 5000 mAh battery. The phone is said to be the company's first budget 5G offering and may debut next year. Now the Samsung Galaxy A42 has allegedly made its way onto the certification website, which hints at a 5000 mAh battery. The phone, said to have the model number SMA426B, has been listed with 4860 mAh battery on the certification website. It is a lithium-ion battery, and beside this there is no other information in the listing. Because of the similarity of the model number with the remote mode number of the Galaxy A42, it is believed that the phone will have a 5000 mAh battery. The Samsung Galaxy A42 was first reported on at the end of June by Sammobile, stating that the phone has a model number of SMA426B, features 120GB of onboard storage, and that it will be launched next year. Now the latest listing hints at the battery capacity. The phone will be the successor of the Samsung Galaxy A41 that was launched in March this year with a 3500 mAh battery. This major jump in battery capacity for the Galaxy A42 is most likely because of the 5G support. This also means that the phone may have a relatively thicker form factor. Interestingly, Samsung has started pushing 6000 mAh batteries in its phones, so this decision to go with a 5000 mAh battery one may be because of space constraints. As of now, the company has not shared any information on the existence of Samsung Galaxy A42 or its battery capacity. For now, we need to wait a little more to get something concrete about this phone's existence. So that is all for today's video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please hit the like button and please leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.